welcome to our YouTube channel. If you came to our YouTube channel for first time, please make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit bell icon. So in this lecture we will discuss about this ticket, this error that we will face while we are doing GR posting, right? So now I'm just doing GR in Migo against a purchase order, and I'm getting this issue like account determination for entry INT1 BESX is not possible. So like how you can resolve that error? Sometimes when you are beginner and you stuck there and you are not able to do GR posting, then it's not possible to proceed further. So in this video we will discuss how to resolve that error. So first of all, just open that and just copy that error and just paste that in Notepad. So, and just open one more new tab here using T-code/O and use T-code OVYC. Hit enter. Okay, and then just see. Error is just like account determination for entry INT1. So that's a charter of account, and this is a key BSX, and this is a valuation class, and it's showing not possible. Meanwhile, it's a FICO error. Okay, in real time, FI like finance guy used to resolve that issue, and like you as a MM consultant, you just need to provide the valuation classes like 3001. For 3001 valuation class you are getting this issue, this error. Then FI consultant used to resolve that. So how we can resolve that in practice server? So just use OBYC and just search BSX transaction here, transaction key BSX, because we are getting for BSX. Same you can get for another key like GBB, like BSV. So whatever key you are getting, what I'm saying like here I'm getting for BSX key and for this valuation class. Like that, just observe like are you getting for BSV key or GBB transaction key, and for valuation class like 7900 or 7920 or for that same valuation class. So don't think like if you are going to get for GBB key and for that same valuation class and you can resolve following the same step. No, just observe like if you will get that account determination or account determination error, how to resolve that. So just go in BSX transaction key, because in our case we are getting for BSX. So just double click there and give your charter of account. So in my case it's a INT1, so just give INT1. If in your case it's INT, just give INT or whatever chart of account you have. So that will also display in error now. You can see like INT1, like that it will display in that error message. So hit enter, and here I just need to create a GL account for 3001 valuation class. You can see from here also. For this valuation class, I need to create a GL account. So what I will do, so I will just click new entries, and here I will give a valuation class 3001. And account GL account I will just give 30100. Hit enter and save. Yes, now for 3001 you can see GL account is there.